Hi, today I want to show you a quick unboxing of the Keychron M6 8K. For 2 years I always used the Logitech MX Master 3S. It worked very well, but exactly after 2 years and 1 month of daily use, it starts to fail. So I decided to try an alternative. I ended up with the Keychron M6 8K. Inside the box you get the mouse, the cable, the wireless receiver and many adapters. About the specification you can check online. For me it's very important to have many connections, so Bluetooth, wireless and wired, so I can switch between Mac OS and Windows. About the materials, the Keychron M6 feels solid and well built. You can feel the Logitech more premium. The main scroll wheel is very good. It feels robust, precise, but the thumb wheel feels more plastic. On the back you can switch between the Bluetooth, wireless and wired mode. You can also change DPI and polling rate directly from the mouse. One thing I really like is that you don't need to install any software like you have to do for the Logitech. Everything works through a web application. It's called the Keychron Launcher. You can remap buttons, create profiles, adjust DPI and update the firmware. So this was just a quick unboxing and first impression. I'm using it mainly for programming, not for gaming. If you want more details, I wrote a full review on my blog. Thanks. If this video was helpful to you, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.